Hello, this is the lecture number 5 for the chapters conic section for the class 11th, and in the last lecture we have discussed what is a ellipse is and what is the form of the ellipse is. We have done that. There are two types of ellipse. First ellipse is the horizontal ellipse, this is, and its formula is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, and a is greater than b always. This is the vertex, it is known as, its coordinate is a0 minus a0, and these are the focus whose coordinates are c0 and minus c0. This is coordinate 0b, and this coordinate is 0 minus b, and there is a relationship between c and a. It is c square is equal to a square plus b square we have done, and E is equal to eccentricity is equal to c upon a we have done. We have done the focus of the ellipse. We have done this c square is equal to a square minus b square, and eccentricity is equal to c upon a. Its focus is plus minus c0, vertex is plus minus a0, length of the major axis is 2a, length of the minor axis is 2b, and the length of the later sectum is 2b square upon a. This we have done for the horizontal ellipse. For the vertical ellipse, we have this vertical ellipse. This is 0a coordinate, the vertex. This is b0, 0 minus a, and this is minus b0. Focus is 0c and f0 minus c. This is f2, f1, and its formula is x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1. That is, if the greater value is below the y square, then it will be a vertical ellipse. Focus was 0 plus minus c, foci. Vertex is 0 plus minus a, and c square is equal to a square minus b square, the relationship between a and b, and E is equal to again c upon a. This we have done. Now we can, if the equation of the ellipse is given, we can easily tell which type of ellipse it is. It is a horizontal ellipse or it is a vertical ellipse. Let us say we have this equation of the ellipse. This is 1. Because the greater value is below the x square, then it is a first type horizontal ellipse. That is, a square is equal to 36, b square is equal to 16. So the value of a is 6 and the value of b is 4. Now because the greater value is below x square, it is a horizontal ellipse. You can easily find c, that is c square is equal to a square minus b square, 36 minus 16, 20, root c, that is plus minus 2 root 5 is the value of c. So the focus of this ellipse is plus minus c0, that is focus is plus minus 2 root 5, 0. E is equal to c upon a, that is eccentricity, 2 root 5 upon a. A is 6. This is the eccentricity, this is the focus. Vertex is plus minus a0, that is vertex is plus minus 6, 0. Length of the major axis, we know it, it is equal to 2a, that is 2 into a, that is 12. Length of the minor axis is 2b, that is 2 into 4, that is 8, and the latest rectum is 2b square upon a. Now b is 4 chi square upon a is 6. So 8 to the 16 upon 6 is the length of the latest rectum. So these are the things you have to find from question number 1 to 9. According to the given ellipse, it is the first type ellipse, that is the horizontal ellipse, greater value below the x square. So it is the first type ellipse. Let us take the second, which we have x square upon 4 plus y square upon 25 is equal to 1. Because the greater value is below the y square, therefore it is the second type, that is the vertical ellipse, and where b square is equal to 4 and a square is 25. So the value of b is 2 and the value of a is 5, and we know that c square is equal to a square minus b square, that is 25 minus 4, 21 under root is the value of plus minus c. The foci of this will be second type ellipse, plus minus 0 plus minus c. So c is how much? Root 21. and the vertex is 0 plus minus a, so it is equal to 0 plus minus 5 is the vertex. Length of the major axis is again 2b, that is 2a, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. Length of the minor axis is 2b always, that is 2 into b, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. Latest rectum is 2b square upon a. Now what is the value of b? That is 2, that is square, it's 4 upon a, that is 5. 8 upon 5 is the length of the latest rectum, and you can find the eccentricity, which is equal to c upon a. C here is root 21 and a here is 5. So this is the eccentricity. So you can easily find the various things for the given ellipse according which type the ellipse it is, horizontal or vertical. If the greater value is along below the x square, so it will be a horizontal ellipse, and if its greater value is below the y square, then it will be the vertical ellipse. Suppose we have this 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144, because we have this 144 in the right hand side, so you divide the whole equation by 144 to get the 1 in the right hand side, then it will become an ellipse. So x square upon cancel out, it will be 4, y square will be is equal to 4 3s are 12, and 4 3s are 12, and 8s are 4 3s are 12, and 4 6s are, it is equal to 1. Now because the greater value is below the y square, so the second type, that is a vertical ellipse, where b square is equal to 4 and a square is equal to 36, which gives b is equal to 2 and a is equal to 6. So because the second type, so c square is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to 36 minus 4 equal to 32 under root c. It will be equal to 4 root 2 plus minus this the value of c. E is equal to c upon a. You can easily find vertex is 0 plus minus a, and length of the major axis is, you know it is 2a. Length of the minor axis is again 2b, and the latest rectum, you know that 2b square upon a. So you can easily find the value of vertex, eccentricities, focus, major axis, minor axis की length, latest rectum. The change will be only in the vertex and in the focus, otherwise E will remain the same, C will remain the same formula, and length of the major axis, minor axis, and the length latest rectum will remain the same. So you have to divide the whole equation by the right hand side of the constant to get the right one in the right hand side. Same will be done in question number 8 and 9 of your NCERT book. Now after that, some parts of the ellipse is given, that is the vertex is given as plus minus 0 and focus is given as plus minus 4 0, and you have to find the equation of the ellipse. Now the vertex and the focus is given, and because the y coordinate is 0, so it will be y coordinate 0 because its focus will lie on the x-axis, so it will be a horizontal ellipse. That is the first type ellipse. So vertex क्योंकि plus minus a 0, so therefore a will be equal to 5. Focus is plus minus c 0, so the value of c is 4. So we know that c square is equal to a square minus b square. You can easily find the value of b square, which be equal to 9. B square will be equal to 9, and the equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square, y square upon b square is equal to 1 because it is a first type ellipse, that is the horizontal. X square upon a square is 25, y upon b square, which is equal to 9, and this is the equation of the ellipse. So we can easily find the equation of the ellipse when the sum parts of the ellipse is given, either focus is given, vertex is given, length of the major axis is given, length of the minor axis is given, and you can easily detect whether it is a horizontal or the vertical ellipse from the given parts of the vertex ellipse. Now vertex is given as 0 plus minus 13 and focus is 0 plus minus 5. Now because the focus lie on the y-axis, because its x coordinate is 0, so it will be second type ellipse, that is focus will be 0 plus minus c. So the value of c is equal to how much? 5. And vertex is 0 plus minus a. So the value of a is 13. So we can use the condition c square is equal to a square minus b square. You can find the value of b square as 144. And the equation of the ellipse of the second type is x square upon b square y square upon a square is equal to 1, which will give x square upon 144, the value of b square, y square upon a square is 13, the value of a is 13, so it will be equal to 169. So it is a second type ellipse because the focus lie on the y-axis because the x coordinate is 0. In question number 12, what is given? The vertex is given plus minus 60. Now because the vertex lie on the x-axis because the y coordinate is 0, again the focus is given as 40. So it will be the first type ellipse because its y coordinate is 0. A is equal to 6 and C is equal to 4. You can proceed as question number 10 to obtain the equation of the ellipse. Question number 13, ends of the major axis is given, that is plus minus 30. Ends of the major axis means it is the vertex is given. Ends of the major axis. This is the major axis and ends will be the vertex of the ellipse. So because the vertex of the ellipse lie on the x-axis because the y coordinate is 0, so therefore it is a first type ellipse, that is a horizontal ellipse whose a is 3, and the ends of the minor axis is this, and its lie on 0 plus minus 2, that is 0 and minus 2, means major axis is lying on the y-axis, minor axis lie on the y-axis, so it will be, therefore the value of b is equal to how much? 2. Then the equation of the ellipse will be of the first type, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. It is of the first type because the major axis lying on the x-axis. So 9 y square upon 4 is equal to 1 because it is given that its major axis lie on the x-axis because the y coordinate is 0. When the major axis lie on the x-axis, then it will be y coordinate will be 0. So directly we are getting the value of a and b and put the value of a and b in the equation of the ellipse to get the equation of the ellipse. Yes, in 14, ends of the major axis के ends हमें दे रखे हैं 0 plus minus root 5 means its x coordinate is 0. So major axis is lying on the y-axis, it means 0 root 5 and 0 minus root 5. So major axis y-axis के along है, so it is a second type ellipse and the ends of the minor axis is 1 0 and minus 1 0. So it will be a second type, that is a vertical ellipse. So therefore the major axis के coordinates क्या होते हैं? 0 plus minus a, so the value of a is root 5 and the value of b will be equal to 1 because the coordinates of the minor axis is plus minus b0. So the value of a and b is given and the equation of the ellipse for the second type is x square upon b square y square upon a square is equal to 1 and the value of b square will be equal to 1. The value of a square will be equal to 5 because the value of a is equal to root 5. So this is the question number 14, which is very, very easy. Simply you have to find which type the given ellipse is. Now 15, it is given that the major axis, length of the major axis, it is given that it is equal to 26 and we know that the length of the major axis is 2a and the a will be equal to 13. And its focus is given as 5 0 because its y coordinate is 0 and it means the focus lie on the x-axis. It means it is a first type ellipse where c is equal to 5. So we know that c square is equal to a square minus b square. 25 c square की value, 13 square is the value of a square b square. So you will get the value of b square as 144. And the value of a is 13 and because it is the first type ellipse, the equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square y square upon b square is equal to 1. So therefore x square upon a square will be equal to 169 value of b square is equal to 144 equal to 1, and it is greater value is along the x square because it is given that it is an ellipse whose focus lie on the x-axis because its y coordinate is 0. Similarly, question number 16. What is given in the question number 16? It is given that the length of the minor axis, तो minor axis क्या होता है? 2b होता है. Length of the minor axis is 2b. So the value of 2b is given as 16 and the value of b is equal to 8. And the focus is given as 0 plus minus 6. Now it lie on the y-axis. Why it is lie on the y-axis? Because its x coordinate is 0. So therefore the value of c is equal to this. So because the focus lie on the y-axis, it is a second type, that is a vertical ellipse, and you can easily find the value of a square from this, that is 64. A square we don't know, 36. So the value of a square will be equal to 64 plus 36, that is 100. This is the value of a, and the equation of the ellipse will be x square upon b square y square upon a square is equal to 1 because it is a second type ellipse. So x square upon b square it is given as equal to 64. The value of a square is equal to 100, and this is the equation of the ellipse of the second type. Now similarly is the question number 17. The focus is given as plus minus 30 because its y coordinate is 0, so it means its focus lie on x-axis. So therefore it is the first type ellipse, and the value of a is given, that is 4. So c की value होगी 3 because focus होता है plus minus 30 and a की value it is 4. So c square is equal to a square minus b square. 9 is equal to a square minus a square is how much? 16 minus b square. So b square is equal to 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. So the equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square y square upon b square is equal to 1 because it is a first type ellipse. Replace the value of a square, which is equal to how much? 16. The value of b square will be equal to 7 is equal to 1. It is a first type ellipse. We can detect it from the focus. Now in question number 19, it is given that the ellipse has a center at the origin and the major axis lie on the y-axis. So it means it is a second type ellipse because it is given that it is focus lie on the y-axis, and this is passing through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6, and you have to find the equation of the ellipse. Now when this point lie on the ellipse, so this point will satisfy this equation. 3 square upon b square 2 square upon a square is equal to 1, and when you put this, it will be 1 square upon b square plus 6 square upon a square is equal to 1. So you are getting these two equations, and from these two equations you have to find the values of a square and b square and put in this equation to get the equation of the ellipse. You can solve this equation by letting 1 upon b square is equal to b and 1 upon a square is equal to a. So you'll get the value this as 9b plus 4a equal to 1, and this will be 1b plus 36a is equal to 1. So you can solve these two equations simultaneously to obtain the value of a and b, and from a and b you can get the value of a square and b square and put in the equation of the ellipse to find the equation of the ellipse. So it is an important question. Similarly is the question number 20. In this, the ellipse is of the second type because it is given that the major axis is lying on the x-axis. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square, this type of ellipse is passing through the point. It is given that 4, 3 and 6, 2. So when you put the value of first in this, satisfy this equation, 4 and 3 x and y, so it will be 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square is equal to 1. When you put this value x and y, so 36 upon a square plus 4 upon b square is equal to 1. Now you can solve this equation by letting 1 upon a square is equal to a, 1 upon b square is equal to b. Replace it, you will get 16a plus 9b is equal to 1, and you'll get it here. One we put it 36a plus 4b is equal to 1. Now you can solve this by elimination method to get the value of a and b, and it is equal to 1 upon a square, and it is equal to 1 upon b square, and from this you'll get the value of a, that is a square, and the value of b square you'll get. Now when you solve these two equations in question number 12, you are getting the value of a square is getting equal to 6, and the value of b square you'll get as 20 when you solve these two equations and put in this equation to get the equation of the ellipse. When you solve these two equations simultaneously, you see it again. This is the question number 20. You'll get the value of a square as 52. You are getting the value of a square as 52, and the value of b square is equal to, you are getting as 13. It means you are getting the value of a as 1 upon 52 and the value of b as 1 upon 13 when you solve these two equations. So this is the question number 20. It is given that there is an ellipse whose focus lie on the x-axis, or the major axis lie on the x-axis. So this equation of ellipse is passing through these 2 points. When you put these points first 4 and 3 in this equation, you'll get this 16 and 9 here. When you putting 4 and 3, when you put 6 and 2 in this equation, in place of x 6 and in place of y you put 2, 36 4. When you solve these two equations by letting 1 upon a square is a and 1 upon b square as b, you'll get this equation as 16a, 9b is equal to 1, 36a, 4b is equal to 1. When you solve this equation by any method, you are getting the value of a as 1 upon 52 and the value of b, it is 1 upon 13, and we have let that 1 upon a square is equal to 1 upon 52 and 1 upon b square it is equal to 1 upon 13. So it means you are getting the value of a square as 52 and the value of b square you are getting 13, and you put the values of this a square b square in this equation of the ellipse to get the equation of the ellipse. Okay, this is the long exercise, and you take your own time to do this types of question, but this is an easy exercise. You can do it easily. Okay, we'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.